it is Kat here with Dreaming English, and this is going to be probably more of an advanced level one because there's no drawings, there's just stuff happening and a lot of English. So let's do this. So today I'm going to be trying out some Mel Science kits. This is not sponsored by Mel Science. Try and make it so that they don't sue us. What is this doing here? Where are the safety glasses? Aha! That's the big pair. Or is this the big pair? I can't tell what size is anymore. Which one's bigger?
The top one.
Alright. So, the first one I'm going to do is rainbow plating, which I DK what that means, but we're going to do it. So, I have the little thing here, and I'm going to need Mom's phone to be set up so I can do this. And I'm just going to whip on my gloves that come from this tiny box. Oh, you open it through the sides. There. So this is the small gloves, which is better because I am a small person.
Mom's phone right here.
All right. I'll get the out thing. Oh, the ones with fire look so cool and dangerous. I'm jealous. But let us see. We're going to be doing rainbow plating today. Found it. So we're going to need some matches. I don't think this is going to be as bad as it was before. I thought it was going to be boring, but now it turns out it's not. There's matches involved, and that's always fun. So I'm just going to put on the gloves.
Matches.
Which are a perfect fit on me. Just a little bit hard to get on, as always. Squeezing my hands into this glove. So now that we have the matches, put those aside. I'm going to need a pocket stove. Ooh. So one thing I'm going to need from the starter kit is my flame diffuser. Pocket stove, which is that weird thing. Because it's a stove, I guess. That can open up like this. It's like a little stove. So I'm wearing my safety glasses already. We're going to need the plastic tray. Has experiment stains on it. And the smartphone stand for the smartphone. But it just works like that, so I can put this away for now. So, the set, which is this one here, I'm going to need to take some things. I'm going to need to take this little sponge. By the way, this is supposed to be a more advanced level video. What else do I need? Stickers. Oh, yay, stickers. That's always nice.
If we're going to be doing fire, let's make sure all your hair.
IDK when we need Oh, because to make the pictures. It's nice.
It's not going to be catching on flames.
What else? We need the tea light candle. An iron plate. Iron here. A wooden stick. A string. What is Oh, I think that might be that. It's very small. Pin opener, aka paper clips that are bent. And I'm already wearing the protective gloves. So that's all the stuff that it's more of equipment that we're going to be needing. Now, I need the filter paper. I have no idea what that is. And I'm going to need some copper sulfate. Mom is here to help with the blue bottle. And filter paper. I have no idea what that is. Oh, filter paper. One piece. Here is the filter paper. Alright, I almost want to take one of these gloves off. I want to take these gloves off for a minute. Just so that I can get everything together. I'll put these back in there for now because I'm not going to be needing that. Well, I'm going to put these aside for now because I need to get some stuff done. So, I'll be right back. I'm back. I've got everything set up. I've got my gloves back on. So, I'm going to start this now. I have this one iron plate. I need to avoid touching it with my bare hands. So, let me just make sure I got one of the iron plates instead of, oh yeah, that's the copper. This is the iron. Alright, just checking. Thoroughly polish this side. So, going to polish it. Oh, it seems to be scratching it a bit. Why don't I thoroughly polish both sides of it, okay? Because I feel like it. So now that is one piece of polished iron. See there, people? That is a piece of polished iron. Move that aside. So now I'm going to choose a sticker. So I have several choices. A bird, a gamer console, a robot, some gears, a scorpion, or a little sign triangle with a lightning bolt in it. So which one do you think I should choose, Mom?
How about the bird?
Alright, the bird it is. I can always make another one. Now I'm going to apply that sticker. If I can take it off. Yep, I got it off. Trying to get this on properly.
Looks like that's what we'll be going for.
There. Did my best to get this on. Trying to get this on properly.
Looks like that's what we'll be going for.
There. Did my best to get this on. Next, flatten the sticker. Be flat. There. Be sure you have a source of gentle water running nearby. Take it, there's going to be fire next. Oh, because we need to rinse the... Is it recording?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so so we found this liquid stuff, and from the image it looked like it was liquid, and after a lot of struggle with the bottle, we think that this is what it's going to do. So now And that should work.
Okay.
Alright. Can I see the camera? I just patted this down with some filter paper, just like it said. Now, I am going to remove the sticker. I'm not sure if this worked, because it doesn't look exactly like it says it's going to look. It looks more of a pinkish coppery color. But this is copper sulfate, so I don't know. Alright, so now I'm going to take off my gloves, according to what it says, and light this. Because I need to take a torch and then light this, because these are very flammable, so we're just going to drop those over there to make sure that they don't catch fire. And you're going to be moved.
Should you put it on the tray, or is it?
Good idea.
That's what the metal tray is for, right?
Not a good time to play fetch cat.
Do you put the tray that on this?
Okay, so I'm going to set up the stove quickly. Place this in. So I put it in my pocket stove. Now, can you help here, Mom? Because so I want you to light this, and I'll light the wooden dowel. Just be really careful. So we are lighting this. Now you can blow that out. Blow that out. Mom, blow that out. All right. So now I'm gonna light the candle.
Blow out that. Give me that.
Put this on top, and put that right there. So now I'm going to wait 2 to 5 minutes.
Okay.
So
you're probably
be right
gonna-
back.
So tell what you just told me.
Just checking in. So you see this? You see how there's this little sticker on there? How it's lit up? That means that it's hot. So if it wasn't, it would just look like this sticker here. Because the stove doesn't get really hot unless it's something pretty crazy. Now the phone is ringing. Okay, we'll be right. So we just finished with that. So I am going to extinguish the candle now. Stop the reaction, and there's smoke. Now, the iron plate is going to be really hot, so we're going to wait about 10 minutes for it to cool down. Because that's what we gotta do. Hello, I'm finishing this up because I decided that at 7 minutes and 24 seconds, it was good enough. So now I'm going to put the string through and then tighten it. Please don't scratch it. And that should probably be done. And it's a keychain, yay, with a little rainbow bird at the end. So that's nice. It's done, finally. So now